Hi again, everyone. We've been doing a lot of posts and some movies on our website, Guerrilla Wordfare, about search engine optimization and basically getting your site out there in front of the search engines so you get better rankings in Google. Our site, it's about half, I would say, kind of catered to Lizzie's readers and new book releases and stuff like that. And then it's about other half actually catered to other writers, trying to help them out, give them some of our lessons learned or others' ideas. So, and this definitely falls into that category. And like I said, we've been doing a lot of SEO stuff, and we're also going to start doing some of the social media stuff that's getting more and more important. And honestly, feel like I'm getting a little bit better grasp on it. So one thing I'm going to cover today is just a real basic overview of making a Facebook fan page and then making a little application. You hear all sorts of stuff about, iFrame apps, Facebook fan page apps, different things like that, different things you can do. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create one of those. So let's get started. Going to come over here to Google and do make a Facebook fan page. Imagine most of you know the difference between a normal Facebook page and a fan page. Basically, with a normal Facebook page, it's more view of the individual, and the fan page is more of a brand, either a band, a movie, things like that. The advantage being in normal Facebook, with you as the person, you can only have so many followers, whereas a fan page, you can have unlimited followers. So that's really the route to go to kind of keep your personal and your brand separate to make it easier to expand some different things like that. So see right here, we've got the link for create a page. Okay. So a local business or place, a company, a brand, a product, an artist, whatever. Just going to do a brand. Just going to make up one here real quick. Choose a category. Shucks. What's a good one? We'll do this. We'll do bags and luggage. And we'll do Katie's Hope bags. Calm down, everyone. There are no actual bags. I just need an example to use this for. So there we go. The fan page is made. And you can see the first things you want to do is add image, invite your friends, post status updates, just a lot of stuff that's, really simple and really intuitive. And you can see me as the administrator. I'm over here. I'm the one who created the page. And you can actually add multiple people on as other admins. So you have rights to access this, and that, whatever. So there we go. We've created a Facebook fan page. A lot of you, I imagine, already know how to do that. We're more concerned with the apps and what we can do here. What we're going to do up here is we're going to come up to search. Going to type in iFrame, and you can see there's a couple of different free options, a lot of different paid options. We're going to use the first free option that pops up, static HTML. So we click on that. Click on Add Static HTML to a page. Choose the page. Katie's Hope Bags. Add Static iFrame. And voila, now we can see over here, whereas before we had wall, info, friend activity, this and that, we also have the welcome here. So when you click on the welcome, because I'm logged in as administrator, it's going to take me to this screen right here. And basically, you can see we've got two options. Enter your content here and optional fans only content. This is going to be straight up HTML. You can't use coding like PHP, but you can use JavaScripts and different things like that. What that means here is you can not only do like normal words, if we could have Delphina or another good graphics artist whip up some nice graphics, we can put them in there. There are no graphics artists as good as her, though, just FYI. We could go to MailChimp and do the same way. We have a subscription to the mailing list form on our website. We can put another one here, which is probably something I'll do to Lizzie's page in the next few days. There are all sorts of little things here. And then below it, like it says, this is optional, but this is extremely powerful. This is fans only content. This lets you basically add content to your page that people can only see if they like you. Obviously, if you put something really good up there, that's a really good way to get a lot of likes. And so one thing to note is that this area right here for the fans only content, this doesn't just tack it onto the bottom, it replaces it. So if you've got a really cool movie that you want everyone to see, regardless if they liked you or not, it should be up here and it should be down here too. We're going to do a real quick thing to demonstrate this though. Up here, we're going to put like us to see our great new trailer. We're going to come up here to that trailer that the aforementioned Kick Butt Tafina made. Click on Share. Go down here to Embed. Going to copy that. and paste it there. And just like I copy and pasted that from the YouTube, I mean, like I said, another good one is MailChimp. You set up a mailing list the same way you put on your web page. Just create the little form there, copy and paste the code into here, and it'll work like a champ. So now we're going to save this. And right here we can view our tab as a non-fan, view our tab as a fan, so you can see what the differences look like. We're going to take it one step further. We're actually going to go here to a different Facebook that I've got set up here. Let's do Katie's Hope Bags. Woohoo, it's up. Alright. So now if we come down here to the welcome page, I'd like us to see our great new trailer. Okay, let's like it. We like the page, and now when it reloads, oh, there's the trailer that we were talking about. Like I said, this is an extremely powerful thing, not only to be able to set up nice pictures, do anything like that you want for normal people, but also to be able to add content to like. It's a real good way to encourage people to like. There's some sneaky things you can do on Twitter, and by sneaky, I don't mean like, ooh, bad things sneaky, just as far as following people based off what content they're putting out there on Facebook. It can be a little bit harder to get people. It's kind of assumed that the best way to get people is to use Facebook advertisements to really target a specific niche, and then just try to keep the cost you're paying per person extremely low. But this is another way that we can do to get this, and we can also use different things here. We're going to talk about different contests and future video things like that, but now you've got a real good idea of how to create not only a Facebook fan page, but how to add in a little application like you see everyone talking about. So just about everyone can do this themselves. If you really just don't feel comfortable with doing it, hey, you know what, show this video to someone, a computer friend you have, and have them do it for you. So if you have any questions, as always, come to our website, shoot me an email, let me know. I'll do my best to try to answer it. Thank you.